Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, my dear viewers, today I will discuss an important chapter, why should we learn English. In case of learning, we should know why should we learn English. Today I will discuss about this matter so that students can be motivated. So if we want to get a good job, then English is needed. If we want to receive higher education, then we should learn English, because most of the books of higher education are written in English. If we want to get a good job, then we should learn English, because a good job needs depends on the learning of English. If we want to get better salaries, then we should learn English. If we want to know about technical, then we should learn English. If we want to go any foreign country of the world, then there is a common language, that is English. So all the viewers, I earnestly request you to control this language. This language will help you to earn a better life. And if you want to get a white collar job, then the knowledge of English is very much important. English is an international language, and all the countries of the world, there is hardly any country where English is not used. Statistics show that about 350 million people speak English as a first language, and another 300 million people use it as a second language. In our country, our first language is Bangla and our second language is English. Really, we learn our Bengali language through listening. Then if we want to learn English, then we should practice. There are 4 steps in any language. At first listening, then speaking, then reading, then writing. If we want to develop our English, then we should practice more and more. By practicing more and more, it is possible to control English. If a student wants to do well in English, then it is his primary duty to memorize a lot of vocabs. Without knowing the meaning of vocabs, it is quite impossible to speak in English. So, my dear viewers, I strongly request you, if you want to develop your communicative English, then you need a lot of vocabs, and then at first you will have to give up your shyness, then you will have to give up your inertia. If you are shy, in this case, it will be very difficult to develop your communicative competence. At first, really we have to say communicative competence refers to the ability to use a language appropriately in different circumstances. If we want to use English language appropriately in different circumstances, then there should be English environment. And without making environment, it is quite impossible to upgrade English. So today I will advise my viewers. At first, you should know about some techniques, and then you will have to listen with profound attention, so that after listening you can develop your career and you can develop your efficiency and proficiency and frequency. So I strongly advise my learners to control this language, to upgrade this language, and you will try to upgrade this language. And there is a proverb that practice makes a man perfect. Without cultivating the habit of speaking the truth, it is quite impossible to learn any foreign language. If you want to control any foreign language, then there is no alternative way without practicing. So, my dear learners, I strongly request you, you will make English environment, and through making English environment, one day you will be able to speak in English fluently. Suppose a boy takes a cycle. At first, he has to make mistake again and again, but there is no doubt that undoubtedly through making mistake, students can develop their efficiency or proficiency in English. So my viewers, I strongly advise you to learn English, because without learning English, it is quite impossible to get a good job and better salaries. And if we want to get a good job or better salaries, then we have to learn English, because most of the books of the world are written in English. So we have to clearly understand that at any cost I want to learn English, so that I can upgrade or control this language, this proficiency. No more today.